1916's fire, the rising blazed. Boland's mills where the weak were faced. Éamon quailed, his nerve ran dry. No shots, no fight, just a trembling cry. The martyrs stood, their blood ran red. Death gave up while the brave lay dead. A fleeting republic in 19 shone, the only state Ireland's ever known. Oh, curse ye Dev, the Longfellow's shame. Buckled we in the freedom game. No state in 22, just a crown's decree, built a lie where a nation should be. The treaty fell, a dominion's birth. No state arose from that broken earth. 22 chained us, no justice found, a hollow shell on borrowed ground. 37's vote, a plebiscite's jest, not binding law, just a frail request. De Valera's hand, a coward's grip, let Ireland drift in a false state slip. Oh, curse ye Dev, the Longfellow's shame. Buckled we in the freedom game. No state in 22, just a crown's decree, built a lie where a nation should be. 49 came, a name to boast. Republic carved, but a ghost at most. No roots, no break, just words in air. A shamrock mosque for a crown still there. The 19 dream, pure and bold, crushed by a man too faint to hold. Ireland stands on a thousand lies, De Valera's truth in a nation's cries. So sing no glory, no hero's tale, a coward's path where the strong ones fail. One republic rose, then fell.